Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. So today is going to be an initial review, and the company I am doing this for is called A1 Hair Factory. So this is a black owned company. Just a quick little overview. They specialize in raw hair, and they reached out to me and they wanted to work together, and I'm super ecstatic because I have been promoting Chinese hair companies for years, and being black owned, that's amazing. So I'm super excited to share, this hair with you guys and also be working with the company. So you guys, the company is called A1 Hair Factory. Like I said, you can find them on Instagram. I will add it below. Also, we'll be providing a code for you guys, which I will have below. Let's just talk about this hair. So let's just get into it. So this is their Vietnamese straight. When I tell you guys this is the prettiest hair that I've had, like this is probably the prettiest hair that I've had. Not even lying, but the way it flows and how silky it is just, it's everything. It's giving everything it's supposed to give. Like, I literally have no complaints. Now, let's just start from putting it on and all that. So I have 3 bundles of 20-inch and an 18-inch frontal. So you guys, I went ahead and made this into a wig using a dome cap. Didn't film any of that or anything like that because I just didn't feel like it was needed. On me, as you guys can see, I am 5'3". I say that a lot, but it falls right under my boobs. So it falls a little longer. Honestly, I feel like it's more of a 22-ish, 23-inch. I don't know. It could just be because of my height. So if you're shorter, it'll definitely fall much, much longer. But yeah, I have only 3 bundles. I use almost all 3. I had like, I think, a full track left because I don't like to like stick a wig full of all the bundles. I feel like thick is nice, but I like it to be just the right amount of thickness, not overly thick. The shipping got here pretty fast. It was probably, I'd say, less than 4 days. I got the hair, and it came packaged in a nice organza bag and labeled packaging. I don't have it just because when I made my wig, I had all that packaging on. I'm like, I don't really need the plastic, so I just threw that away. Y'all, let me just talk about it. So the past couple of days, I didn't have to run my flat iron over it tons of times. What I like the most, I'll say, is the ends. They're really nice and they look really natural. So they're kind of, when I got them, they were kind of like, I'll say not curled, but they were kind of like not bumped either. I don't know. They just look really nice. Like, they look really nice and natural. I'm gonna insert a video I did put on Instagram, a little boomerang, and just show how flowy the hair is and how the ends look. It's like a nice little bumped but not bumped type of look. So I have no complaints in that department. But furthermore, I'm just gonna try to get all the hair to the front so I can show y'all completely how thick this is and how thick it would be if you decide to get the hair. So this is all the hair to the front. Really nice, really full, really thick. I'm so obsessed with this hair, y'all. So I didn't bleach the knots, I didn't pluck it, and I didn't dye it. It is a nice true black color, so I love that. It looks nice and chunky, and it's giving black, and I love black hair. So yeah, pull it out. Just so y'all, I haven't been wearing it out. I've had it behind my ear, and I also wore it in a side part this past weekend. But this is where the 18-inch frontal falls, and then the rest is 20. But you can do some nice layering with this hair. I think that would be cute. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Overall, I have no complaints. Y'all can see me running my fingers through it. I have gotten no crazy shedding. The only shedding I got is when I cut the wefts, when I was, of course, making the wig. And yeah, I have slept in this wig because I did use Ghost Bond. So I'm like, let me wear this a couple of days and get a little nice feel of it. So the only thing I got after sleeping in it was a little shabby, but brushing it out, it made it so much better, and it wasn't an issue. No knots, so that's good because, sleeping in your hair, it will give you some knots and definitely some tangling. And this is straight hair, but when I tell y'all this is unbelievably silky, I mean that. Like, this is some really nice hair. So definitely check this company out. They will be in my videos a lot because I'm going to be working with them, like I said before. But they did pass on the message that they will be having a giveaway once they reach 500 followers on Instagram. So go ahead y'all, just go ahead and follow them. And if you follow me on Instagram, I'm going to be posting and tagging them in a lot of story posts and things like that. So you guys definitely get them numbers up because it is not hard. I have 10.1 thousand people on Instagram, so I'm sure that together, you know, we can get them to 500. I know how that milestone feels when you're a new company and you just are trying to grow. But yes, this was kind of just like an introduction. It's an initial review. I'm not gonna say it's a full-on review because I haven't had the hair that long, but y'all, this hair is everything. Like, I love it. Like, I'm telling y'all, I have no complaints at all. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please check out A1 Hair Factory on Instagram. I will link everything you guys need below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you on the next video.